Welcome to 28 Days to Better Blues, Part 4. On this fourth and final installment, we're going to look at bending notes. All you need to know to get started is the pentatonic blues box, and you'll be able to apply these tips almost immediately. When we bend a note, we free ourselves from the constraints of the frets and open the door to the field of all possibilities. How we perceive pitch also comes into play because we no longer have the frets to guide us. It's all left up to our ear when we're bending strings. Let's look at 4 common string bending techniques in blues. Number 1, the whole tone bend. The whole tone bend happens when you bend a string up 2 semitones or 1 whole tone. A whole tone is 2 frets on the guitar neck. Practice fretting the target note and then bending up to the same pitch that you just heard. Number 2, the unison bend. The unison bend happens when we bend one string while fretting a note on the string just below it and bending the upper string until the 2 notes reach the same pitch. You can hear a flutter or beats in the sound. If you are in proper unison, then the fluttering subsides and the 2 notes ring together smoothly. This takes a little practice because you must keep one finger stationary while you're pushing up the string with the other. Number 3, the oblique bend. The oblique bend is like the unison bend, except the pitches are in harmony rather than in unison. In order to test the pitch, fret the note 2 frets higher, and while keeping your stationary finger in place, then go back to the starting point and bend up, striking both strings at the same time. This is a very satisfying and well-worn blues and rock technique. The double stop bend. The double stop bend happens when we bar 2 strings with our fingers and shake the strings up and down. The double stop bend is full of blues attitude and mojo. So that concludes our 4th and final video in this 4-part series. I hope you have enjoyed these tips that I've been sharing with you. They are all meant to be super simple and things that you can do with tools that you already have. Learning new ways to express ourselves musically shouldn't be a chore. If you haven't seen the other 3 episodes in 28 Days to Better Blues, follow these links to check them out. You'll find that all 3 videos are filled with super easy tips that you can employ immediately to improve your playing. Thank you all so much for joining me on this journey. I truly hope that this series has given you a deeper understanding of the blues while adding a few tricks to your playing repertoire. My name is Dwane Dixon, aka Double D. It is always a privilege and an honor to spend this time with you. Don't forget, all the backing tracks and diagrams are available for free download to help you get these ideas under your fingers and into your playing vocabulary. Thank you for taking this journey with me of 28 Days to Better Blues.